Turmeric, the golden spice. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a plant of the ginger family, native to Southeast Asia and mainly grown commercially in India. Curcumin is the main yellow component of turmeric and a source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Its rhizome is used as a culinary spice and as a traditional medicine. It is a spice often used in curry powder. Dried turmeric root is prepared into powders, tablets, capsules, teas, and extracts. Stay tuned for the list of health benefits of using turmeric and how you can consume it. So what are the benefits of turmeric? Lessens inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, curcumin may be used as a treatment for a variety of illnesses, including osteoarthritis, which may result in less pain and easier movement. According to one study, consuming turmeric extract 3 times a day is equivalent to taking 1,200 milligrams of ibuprofen every day. To confirm these effects, more study is required. Strengthen immunity. The immune system is responsible for protecting the body from pathogens that can cause illness and infections. Turmeric has been shown to be one of the best foods for maintaining, protecting and strengthening immunity and reducing the risk of getting sick because turmeric has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Helps control diabetes. Turmeric promotes blood sugar control and enhances the effectiveness of medications used to treat diabetes. This powerful herb can complement traditional diabetes treatment by helping lower insulin levels. It can also help reduce insulin resistance and prevent the development of type 2 diabetes. However, we recommend that you consult your doctor before adding any natural options to your diabetes treatment. Relieves IBS symptoms. Turmeric has been shown to not only support a healthy digestive system but also help treat a variety of digestive disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome. According to research, IBS sufferers should notice a considerable reduction in symptoms after consuming just a tablespoon of the spice each day. The anti-inflammatory qualities of the spice reduce inflammation and stop abnormal muscle contractions. Helps control weight. Turmeric's active ingredients support fat loss and reduce the low-grade inflammation linked to obesity. Turmeric tea may be helpful for people who want to drop a few pounds in addition to maintaining a good diet and exercise program. It also promotes bile production, which can cause issues in persons with gallbladder disease, therefore, it should be used with caution. Can treat skin conditions. Turmeric has several external benefits, such as speeding up healing of wounds and relaxing the pores to help minimize acne. Additionally, it helps manage psoriasis flare-ups and scar prevention. Numerous benefits are provided by the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristics, but it is best to first speak with a dermatologist because the color can stain the skin and some people may experience allergic reactions to the topical application. Acts as a natural painkiller. Consider a natural alternative before using drugs for a pain-related health issue. Turmeric is frequently used in medicine for a reason. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can aid in healing. According to some sources, turmeric has the same therapeutic benefits as many over-the-counter medicines and prescription drugs. Here are some of the ways to take turmeric and get more curcumin into your diet. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is one of the simplest and most common ways to increase the amount of curcumin in your diet. You can make a tea using grated turmeric root by brewing or pure turmeric powder. Boil 4 cups of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, grated or ground. For about 10 minutes, let the mixture simmer on low heat. After straining the tea, let it cool for 5 minutes. Soup. Turmeric works well in a variety of soups that are not only nutritional, but also delicious. Simply add turmeric to your favorite soup recipe. It's better to add a small quantity at a time, stirring and tasting until it's exactly right. Golden milk. Golden milk is a creamy warm drink that is another favorite way to consume turmeric. Simply heat 2 cups of milk and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, along with a pinch of ground black pepper, to promote absorption. To flavor, many people add cinnamon, honey, or maple syrup. Rice. When cooking rice, add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric to the water. This will provide a nice color to the rice once cooked. It tastes delicious, and will also help to increase your turmeric intake. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy stuff. Goodbye.